Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2017 Chevy Colorado Z71 Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X853XX. Only 15,000 miles on this one owner. Color is called Burning Hot Metallic. To receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Not only low miles but very clean inside and out. Rear defrost for excellent visibility and sliding window for additional ventilation. Z71 off-road suspension. Locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate and spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Body is free of dents or dings. This Z71 has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive with auto setting. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Colorado is a 3.6 liter V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Colorado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.